Welcome to Squirrel Trails. I'm Al.
I'm Abby. Welcome to Abby's Coding Club.
So this is our continuation of coding as we walk Abby through how do we do coding. And our second one today is basically learning how to follow instructions. And that's what we're going to do. So Abby, what do we do here? Read the other side.
Let's write a program to help your friend draw a simple picture. In programs, the sequence or order of instructions matter. The game is finding and connecting errors in your program.
So in Abby's Coding Club, our second video here is on drawing a picture, which is the second card. So it starts with get ready. You'll need paper and pencil. We're going to use a whiteboard. One person will be the programmer and the other person will be the drawer. So the other person is essentially a computer. The programmer is telling the drawer, i.e. the programmer.
I'm going to be the drawer.
Okay, absolutely.
I do all the easy work.
Okay, so you're gonna the way they actually want you to do this is sit back to back so you can't see each other. We'll see whether or not we can do that, but I think we'll just be watching each other. It's not like I'm 7 years old either, so we'll see how this goes. So the way this is done is with the play section is programmer gives instructions to draw some kind of an object. Start with something simple probably, and then the drawer follows the programmer's instructions exactly. Then when they're done, you get to compare to see if it's learned. You know, I've done this in college. It's never worked out well. So we'll see how this goes. Okay, so I have an image here, and I'm going to provide some guidance or some instructions to see how to give to Abby, and she's going to draw them. So are you ready, Abby?
Yeah.
Okay, so I want you to draw make it as easy as drawing a box, you want to draw individual lines. Okay. All right. So Abby, draw a box about the size of your hand in the center of the board. So I tried to get a size so we could get some idea of what that was going to be. That's kind of important in programming, so you get some kind of a sense of how big something's going to be. Did you get the box drawn, Abby?
No, not yet.
Want to show me the picture? Okay. And Abby, do you want to?
I made it as big as my hand.
Okay. Good job. Next part.
All right. Now, on the top right corner, I want you to draw a circle about the size of your thumb. Okay? All right. And then draw another circle in the center of the top of the box, the same size.
Ready.
Okay. Now on the left-hand side of the box, on the left top corner, I want you.
Right.
No, I mean left. Did I say left last time or right last time?
You said left for this one.
Okay. So yeah. So this one's going to be the right. So I want you to draw the same size circle on the top right corner.
Ready.
And then draw a line across the top of the three circles.
Okay. Ready.
Okay, so let's see what it looks like.
So far so good.
How's that look, Abby?
So. Okay.
Did I do good?
You did a really good job.
You did great. Now, Grandpa made a mistake. and you corrected me in the center. Do you remember how that happened?
Yeah.
How did that happen? Because I said left first when I meant right. So we actually had an error condition that you spotted that said, oh, wait a minute, I've already got something there. I can't do that. So you did a interactive correction to my program. Very good. So that's kind of the concepts to learn out of
But
this.
when I put it upside down, it looks like a track with a part of a train.
Absolutely, but that's, I mean, it's just any image we could do, but that's using your imagination. And a good part of any programming is thinking about what you want to do, and because there's a little bit of art involved.
Now it's my turn.
Now it's your turn. All right. All right, so that was the first one where I was the programmer and Abby was the drawer. Now we get to do it the other way around to see how well that works. Part of the process. So, Abby, you draw your design. I won't look at it. So get started on that then. Make it something simple. Don't get it too wild and crazy, because you're going to have to give me the instructions on how it's done.
Ready.
Okay.
All right. So, Abby, you get to tell me what to do.
First, make a bump.
Make a bump. Okay? Make a bump.
Then make a one line down
One line down.
that is standing up.
Okay? That's what we call perpendicular.
Then make another bump after you make another line that's the same thing. Then do the left side and make it into like a point.
Okay, so I'll make a point on the left side.
And do the same thing for the other one.
Okay, part of the problem is I can't draw very well, but okay.
Okay.
Then make 5 wheels that the first one is super big
The first wheel is super big. Where do I put it?
on the left side.
Okay?
Then do 2 little ones that are on the left side and in the middle. Then make a little bit of a medium one
Okay.
that is on the right side. Do the same thing for the other one. Then make
Okay.
a heart on the right side.
Okay. A heart on the right side.
That looks like the other heart but smaller.
What other heart?
The one in the middle, Grandpa.
Okay, all right.
And then make a heart that you don't make a line down.
Make a heart that I don't make a line down. Where do I make that heart?
On the right side. In the middle of the other heart.
Okay.
Then do the same thing for the other one, but bigger. On the left side.
Okay.
Then make the same thing in the middle.
Okay.
And that's done. That is not how I did it. Not at all.
Okay, so okay.
Okay, now what we want to do, Abby, is I need to compare what I did with what you did. So first of all, show everybody what you've got. Okay. And then I'm going to show them what I have. And then we'll hold them up side by side. I'm thinking we had some communication challenges. So let me look and see what we got. Abby, I need to see what you've got. Oh, I like what you did. But it doesn't look anywhere close to what I've got.
No, I did want you to put those lines.
You
See
said
this one
wheels.
over here?
Yeah.
But I didn't want those on in
So-
the middle, and I wanted a full heart.
Okay, so what did we learn out of this one? First of all, when you said wheel, I drew a circle, but then drew spokes in the wheel because a wheel has spokes. So,
It's a train wheel.
okay, all right. Well, I like bicycle wheels, but whatever. Okay, I'm old. And then I didn't know where the heart on the right was, so I put up because and we had the bumps here. So when you said draw a bump, I didn't know where the bump was or how big to make it or what it was going to be.
But
And
the
so-
bumps are kind of the same.
The bumps are kind of the same, but now
But I
I see that
wanted-
you're starting to draw the heart.
Yeah, I wanted to point on the bottom.
You know, so that was really cool what you did because you were trying to describe how to draw a heart, and you did it exactly right. Draw two bumps at the top, and then lines down the center, which if I had done that way,
Directional.
yeah, so it's directional. So I could see which direction it was, because when you said a line that was perpendicular, straight down, I went straight down perpendicular, as opposed to at an angle.
I wanted it to be in the heart right here.
Okay, all
And
right.
I didn't put 3 of those hearts. I only put 2.
I know it, so that's part of the challenge with doing this stuff. So, we're done with that one. We've kind of learned some interesting things about this. Key aspects, when you're giving instructions, you got to be a little precise about what you're doing and when they're being interpreted. That's a learning skill. That takes some time. But we did have fun doing this. And you can do this time and time again. And every time you do, you'll get better with it. But I will tell you this right now, this is not an easy task to do. I have done this with professionals in the office space, and it looks about like this. So, all right, I think we're about done.
Abby, what did you like about it?
I liked it when Grandpa tried to make the wheels.
Because you said wheel, I made a wheel.
What did you find hard about it?
Drawing the second heart in the middle.
So Abby, what was hard about it?
Giving directions.
Why was that hard?
Because I knew Grandpa wouldn't follow the directions properly.
Oh, thank you for your vote of confidence. I mean, but the real hard part was what, trying to break down that image into a set of directions that you knew I could understand.
Thank you for watching Abby's Coding Club. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Good job.